Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today, we'll be showing you some of our brand new brush tool presets that work with the new 3D Paths feature in Substance 3D Painter. In order to use this feature, you must have Substance 3D Painter 9.0.0 installed. If you want to know more about the 3D Paths tool itself and how to use it, you can watch this video here. There are 6 new tool presets that we'll be talking about today. Fabric top stitching, fabric seam, fabric zipper, fabric puckering, metal welding, and the pipe rack tool. Each tool preset comes with their own set of parameters to adjust to your texturing needs. We'll be giving you a whirlwind tour of how these can be used, but we encourage you to get stuck in and discover them further for yourself. Just to reiterate, a tool preset can be found in the brush category of your asset library. You can filter which ones are tools by typing in Tools in the search bar. Okay, let's begin. First, we have the fabric top stitching tool. This has so many different options and settings to play with, so you can use it for almost any of your fabric stitching needs. As well as having the usual adjustable properties like color, roughness, and metallic, in this tool preset we have the ability to dramatically change our stitches. We can select what category of stitches we want to pick from, and then select a stitch from the drop-down box below. Once we've selected one, we can even press the up and down arrow keys to flick through the different stitches to see how they look. Below this, you can see we have stitching and puckering sections. These contain sliders that can really help you fine-tune your stitches, and you can create the exact result you need. All tools will have the same set of technical parameters at the bottom, where you can edit the general properties of the brush. For example, decreasing the height range to make the stitches slightly flatter. Next, we have our fabric seam preset. This tool works the same as the top stitching, but this is for creating seams on your geometry. You can pick what type of seam you want to use, and again use the sliders to match it to your vision perfectly. You can also increase the stitch puckering, which will create stitches in between that you can then change the amount and the color of. We also have a fabric zipper preset, where we can add zip seams to our mesh with paths. We have a range of zipper types to choose from, and we can adjust the color and roughness accordingly. Some zippers also come with the option to toggle the tape fabric, so you can choose to add that in if you'd like to. Up next is the puckering tool. This is an excellent tool for adding detail to your fabric textures with the accuracy of the Paths tool. As you can see, we have a couple of sliders to adjust the look of our folds. We can also choose whether to have the puckering on one side of the path or both. Following on from this, we have our metal welding tool preset. In the Properties panel, we can choose what type of welding we want to use and adjust the corresponding sliders to really match it to our object. After this, we have the pipe rack tool. This is a great way to add some pipe detail to your sci-fi or industrial projects. We can make adjustments to both the pipe and the rack in the Properties panel. And that was our short overview of our brand new tool presets, made especially for the 3D Paths tool in Substance 3D Painter. Thank you for watching.